Hello learners, in this lecture we will study permutation and combinations. Now, permutation. Permutation is an arrangement of definite order of numbers of objects taken some or all at a time. It refers to the maximum possible numbers of arrangements that can be made of a given number of things taken one or more of them at a time in different possible orders. For examples, if there are three things, say A, B, and C, they can be arranged in the following different possible ways, taking 1, 2, or 3 at a different respectively. General rule. The number of permutations of n different things taken R at a time is denoted by NBR. This is the formula. This sign is called factorial, where n numbers of different things given and n factorial is read is this. Product of n, n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. R is number of things taken at a time like 1, 2, 3, etc. Possible combinations from A, B, C. Now, nature of pairs you can see, possible arrangements you can see, total number of arrangements you can see. Rules of permutation. From the above analysis, the different rules of permutation may be outlined as follows. Theorem first. Permutations with repetition. The number of permutations of n different things taken R at a time when each thing may be repeated R times is. Now, theorem second. Permutations of n things not all different. The number of n things taken all at a time of which p things are alike, q things are alike, r things are alike, and the rest or all different is given by this formula. Theorem third. Rules of counting. If an operation can take place in m ways and the same having taken place in one of these ways, a second operation can be take place in n ways. The number of ways in which the two operations can take place is given by this formula. Now, rules of circular permutation. A. The number of circular arrangements of n things is given by the left formula. B. The number of circular arrangements of n things of which P are alike and Q are alike taken alternatively is given by the right formula. Now, combination. Combination refers to the maximum possible numbers of arrangements that can be made of a given number of things taken one or more of them at a time in only one of the different possible orders. In other words, it refers to the number of different sets or groups that can be made of a given lot taking one or more at a time without repeating an element. For example, if there are three things, say A, B, and C, the following are the different possible combinations which can be formed of them taking 1, 2, or 3 at a time respectively. Now, possible combinations from ABC. Number of pairs you can see, combinations you can see, number of arrangements you can see. Rules for combination. From the above analysis, the rules of combinations may be outlined here as follows. The number of combinations of n different things taken R at a time is denoted by NCR. Thank you.